yung AI technology ngayon, ano?
Yes, buti na lang talaga. Very techy and very resourceful tong daughter dear mo. Ay, nakatulong din na mahilig manood ng news si Brandy. Kaya marami siyang alam tungkol dyan sa mga nagpapalitang love scam.
Hmm. Pero sure ka ba na makukonvince si Ikit na dyan sa video message na yan? At saka, mapapalabas talaga siya ng money for that?
Yes, of course. Di ba sinabi ko nga sa inyo na si Ikit in love na dun sa Victor na yan. Kaya I'm sure nagagawa siya ng paraan para makapagpadala ng pera dun sa Paymoco account na sinend ko.
Poor Ikit. Atat kasi magka-love life.
I know,
Ayan,
right?
yung napapala.
Funny.
Sweetie, sorry ha. I did my best naman, but I guess my best was not good enough.
Baka kasi isipin niya, hindi ako ganun ka-concern, di ba? Eh, paano? Diba? Ito na nga.
Hey, sweetie. I'm already packing for the Philippines trip. Sorry for all the mess. Guess what? These books are about building community livelihood programs and community cooperatives. They're going to help us a lot in setting up the community programs. Well, that is, if we can get the money from the packages. It's still held up in customs. But if a miracle does happen, and we're able to set up the clearance fee, I'll still bring the books anyway. Can't wait to see you. Love you, sweetie.
Sarap. Ay, I love you too. Pero paano?
Hello, Beshi. Asan ka na ba? Paalis na kami. Magsasart na kami ng tour.
Bakla, kasi medyo masama kasi yung pakiramdam ko. Pwede bang ikaw na lang muna sumama sa pag-tour guide?
Ay, hala. Kaiisip mo yan sa problema ni Victor. Kaya ka na stress at nagkakasakit na rin. O sige na, magpahinga ka na today.
O sige, Bessie, enjoy ha. Enjoy.
Thanks, Besh. Hayaan mo na, huwag mo na isipin yung problema ni Victor, okay? Tsaka nasabi mo naman sa kanya na hindi mo talaga kayang bayaran yung clearance fee, di ba?
Oo, bakla. Ingat kayo.
Okay, bye.
I already give it to you, the 150,000. Yes, to the Paymoco, the account that you give it to me.
Thank you, sweetie. The customs officer already emailed me saying that the package will be there either Thursday or Friday at the latest.
Oh, Victor, make sure the money that I give it to you, give it to me back before Friday. Because if you don't, I am dead on arrival.
Don't worry, sweetheart. You'll have the money and the package by then. Okay? And you already have my flight information. I can't wait to see you. Love you.
Nakakahiya, parang tanga. I don't care. Let's go.
Sweetie, I'm now at my friend's house. Kasi I pretended to be sick and didn't report to work today so that I can personally receive the package. But still no delivery at the moment. I really need to deposit my money kasi tomorrow. Before lunch at the latest. Please, sweetie, reply me ASAP.
Sorry, late reply. Just checked my inbox and saw an email from the customs officer apologizing for the delay of the package delivery. But he promised that it will surely be delivered tomorrow, Friday, same day as my arrival.
Sweetie, it better be delivered tomorrow. Or else, I'll be in big trouble.
Sureness, sweetie. No problem.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie. See you tomorrow morning.
Ew! Talagang naniniwala si stupid girl!
Exactly, she's so gullible.
Okay.
God.
Oh, so now, now that she's expecting Victor to arrive tomorrow, it's time for the phase 2 of our plan.
Grabe naman. But wait, there's more ka? Parang private subdivision lang. May phase 1, phase 2. Wait. So, how many phases do we exactly have?
Okay, listen carefully ha. Meron pa kasi ako nabasa online na another case of love scamming. Pero this one is a little bit tricky kasi we need another trusted accomplice. Someone na hindi itatakbo yung money na makukuha natin. Yun dapat sa atin.
Okay, don't worry about it. My boyfriend Ace can help us. Just make sure to take care of him, if you know what I mean.
Of course. So, G?
Gee.
G! Let's do this!
Miss, na-love scam ka po.
Anong loves ka?
Magwawala si Gani pag nalaman niya ang ginawa ng santi-santita niyang anak.
Kung walang pera dito, paano mo masisweldohan yung mga tour guide natin?
It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone.
Victor! Victor! Victor, nandito ako! Lumabas ka naman na!
Huwag na kayong magpumilit pa. Niloko lang kayo ng kasat nyo at pinirahan. Miss! Mag-medic!
Lahat po ng pera na meron po ako, pinigay ko po dun sa boyfriend ko.
Wala na kami pangkain namin! Hirapan namin yun, Base sa natitirang searches, walang Victor Johnson sa Dubai at sa Singapore. Pero may isa sa Japan.